Welcome to AI Evening News. Here are today's main AI topics at a glance. Anthropic just turned Claude into a security engineer. Claude Security launched in public beta, powered by Opus 4.7. It scans repositories for vulnerabilities and writes the proposed fixes in the same loop. The technology lineup names CrowdStrike, Wiz, Palo Alto Networks, SentinelOne, Microsoft Security, and Trend AI as partners. Accenture, BCG, Deloitte, Infosys, and PwC are listed on the services side. Early customers, including DoorDash, Snowflake, Column, and Hebbia, have been running it under wraps. Access is on Claude Enterprise first, with Team and Max rolling out next. ElevenLabs just fixed the part of AI music that everyone complains about. Music V2 lets you select one bad section, like a flat bridge, and regenerate only that slice while the rest of the song stays intact. The model also blends genres mid-song, with ElevenLabs showing a track that moves from opera to heavy metal and back. You can embed sound effects directly into a song, and multilingual vocals, including Japanese, get a meaningful step up. Pricing drops up to 50% off on Eleven API and up to 40% off on Eleven Creative Self-Serve. The model is live now on Eleven Music and Eleven Creative, and Music V2 is coming to Eleven API next. Training data is fully licensed, so commercial use is cleared from day one. Microsoft just shipped an image model that finally knows how to spell. MAI-Image-2.5 entered the Arena text-to-image leaderboard at number 3. The headline is text rendering. On the demo grid, fictional packaging like a Chip Chips chip bag and a DRC's ice cream tub keeps clean, legible logos instead of the usual garbled letters. Microsoft says this is a step change over MAI-Image-2 in stylized illustration and commercial imagery. The model is live on Arena today, and Microsoft Foundry plus the MAI Playground get it within the next 2 weeks. Japanese kanji and other non-Latin scripts are not yet validated, so treat that as a separate test for now. NVIDIA Research just released a decoder that collapses 2 slow steps into one. PIDE stands for Pixel Diffusion Decoder. Instead of decoding latents with a VAE and then running a separate super resolution pass, PIDE writes high-resolution pixels directly. On a consumer RTX 5090, it turns 512 latents into a 2K decode in under a second, with about 13 gigabytes of peak memory. NVIDIA reports up to 5.9x faster decoding than SeedVR2 on their comparison, and a tighter 210 milliseconds on a GB200. Code and weights are public on GitHub and Hugging Face under NVIDIA Toronto AI Lab. Treat the benchmarks as in-paper claims until comfy UI builders confirm them on real workflows. GitHub Copilot Memory just got the controls developers and admins were asking for. Repository admins can now disable GitHub Copilot Memory at the repo level through existing Copilot settings, which stops repo facts from being stored or read. In the GitHub Copilot CLI, 3 new commands let you flip memory on or off and check what is stored without leaving the terminal. The Store Memory prompt now says whether each entry will land as a user-level preference or as a repo-level fact. Deletion got clearer too, with Copilot pointing you to the right place to remove a memory and downvoting it where voting is available. The feature is still in public preview, and user-level preferences specifically require the Pro or Pro Plus plan. That is the May 27th AI briefing. Claude Security, ElevenLabs Music V2, and the Microsoft text rendering jump are the 3 to rewatch in shorts. See you in tomorrow's briefing.